You need to see this video till the end because in this video you will find a very powerful ad blocking app for Android. But it is not advisable to use ad blocker ethically as it will not benefit the developer from many of the hassles, and you should respect the ad hassles that you saw while using that developer's app.
What does it take to end global hunger?
Even then, there are two ways if you need ad blocking. If your phone is below Android version Oreo Android 8, then you need to root the phone and install the Ad Away app. It is a flower-proof method. Please check the description box to get the app link. But if you do not want to root your phone to block ad, then you can use AdGuard. This app will work on both rooted and unrooted devices. You will get the link in the description box of this video. However, there is no guarantee of this app that how much of work will be done. On the other hand, if your phone is Android version Pie, Android 9 or above, then you can do ad blocking in a very simple way. And all app ads including your phone's browser will be free. However, the app's embedded ad will remain, such as Quora, Facebook, Reddit will show the promoted apps. To apply this, go to your phone settings. From there, select Wi-Fi and Internet. Here you will find an option called Private DNS. Select. If you select it, if it is off, make it a private DNS provider host name and an empty box will appear. Put dns.adguard.com this line to the empty box and save. The diameter of your ad blocking will be turned on. Many times using private DNS can make it difficult to access different sites. Then you can turn off the DNS and start again after work. I hope you understand. Please like the video and subscribe Tech Compounder. Thank you for watching.